Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Guys and girls, this is NFP week, absolutely very important week that we have entered the first week of the month, and I believe that everyone had a very enjoyable big weekend and ready for another big week. And this is absolutely a big week coming up, NFP. And in this week, as you can see, the market just has got out of a big consolidation pattern. If you look at the gold chart that I'm looking at, you see that it was a very long term in a consolidation, and we have seen that from that consolidation the market managed to break out. It's a huge breakout on gold, and expecting for the price to now jump back to the upside along with many other pairs such as on GBP, JPY and gold, both of them currently trending aggressively. So I will be looking at one by one how we can trade. As you know that we do open live trades, as well as in addition to our VIP trade, we do also open live trades. So guys and girls, make sure that you keep eye stick till the end of the live session, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. So make sure you do that, and also press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I am posting every single day. So let's begin with, first of all, I will be starting with gold, and also then we will be looking at GBP, JPY, also dollar CAD, dollar yen, WTI, many other pairs. Also we will be looking to see if there is any short-term or long-term trading opportunity with us in the market. So first of all, I will be looking at gold, and as it is the starting of the week, first day of trading week, I will be doing a complete multi-time frame analysis to understand the market. So looking at the monthly chart, first of all, to see a bigger picture in the market on gold. Now looking at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that this is the monthly price action on gold, which is showing currently strongly bullish. Now because it's a long-term bull market on gold, we can expect for this price to remain bullish. Why? Because very simple, the law of trading is that what is going up is likely to go up. So always trading with the trend is the most intelligent decision you will ever make. So that is why we are doing this multi-time frame analysis, so that we know that which way is the major direction of the trend, and based on that we will be doing the analysis. Now looking at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that this is a huge bull market, starting with this impulse on gold, followed by this correction, another impulse, followed by deeper correction, another impulse. We can see that from the monthly previous months, gold has formed the narrow bullish doji. Now if I take this whole market structure on gold, we can see that this is creating series of higher low on the monthly, and we have seen the previous swing low is where there was a liquidity grab, and the market has managed to bounce back to the upside, followed by a doji. Now this doji can be a huge starting of a bigger move to the upside on the monthly. And if we look at the gold high, this is the all-time high, which is 2147.48 level, and we could see that the market is going back up to hit that level for long-term perspective. So any pullback is always good for us for potential entry. Now this is the weekly price action. Previous week, you can see it's a huge bull move previous week, and with that huge bullish momentum on gold, we can see that there was a huge bullish engulfer from the weekly, and we can see that with that huge bullish engulfer on the weekly on gold, this week, once the market opened, initially the price has tested the low, and then we can see that the price started to bounce back to the upside. Because it's a long-term bull market, I will draw a couple of levels from the weekly. This is the weekly neckline of this bounce, also absolutely important level. In case if it drops down, this level also you can look at for this potential upside on gold. Now looking at the daily chart, what do we see? That this is the daily resistance here, which is turning support here. And if gold in case with any kind of spike drop down, that could be a level that we can look at for potential buying, as it is a bullish market has managed to break out. We could see that gold is trending in that direction. So looking at the slowly dropping down to the lower time frame, we have come down to the 4 hour, where the trend, you can see this is a huge liquidity candle. It crossed 3 important dodges, grabbed the liquidity, and then bounce back up. Now yesterday we conducted our VIP Zoom class, guys and girls. I have explained why this kind of pin bar, this kind of liquidity candle is so powerful. If you miss that VIP Zoom class, then I will be posting as a recorded session on the Signal channel. I would recommend you to watch that. If you are our VIP member, you can access that. Make sure that you watch that, because that will change the way you look at the market. You will see a complete understanding of such an important liquidity candle, and which is the most powerful trading signal you will ever find in any currency pair, any pairs that you are trading. So it's definitely worth looking if you're really passionate about trading and you understand the liquidity. So what is liquidity? In a nutshell, liquidity is the fuel of the market. It is the unseen part of the market. Now, you know that according to Nikola Tesla, there are 3 secrets in this universe. So if you want to know the secret of the universe, anyone can know it. According to Nikola Tesla, he said that think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. He's a genius of all time. You know that he's a scientist. So if you look at similarly the secret of the market, and there are 3 important secrets in the market, which is the market structure, liquidity, and price action. When you can integrate these 3 in your trading strategy, you become completely unstoppable to be profitable as a trader. So now if we look at even dropping down to the very lower time frame, I am going to the 15-minute chart on gold. We can see that here on the 15 minutes, this is where a huge bullish impulse, this is the news impulse, if you remember, guys, Friday, it's a big impulse, followed by we can see that there is a consolidation, revert back to the support level. Now at this point we saw another impulse to the upside on gold, as what is going up is likely to go up. So we have seen that that's a continuation of this bullish pattern. Now at this time, for me to trade today on gold, what we need is any of this support to be retested. And if we see that any of this support is being tested, we can look for short-term buying opportunity on gold. It is possible for gold now, either you see that it just has tested this high from a double top. Now either we could see another attempt to create a new higher high, or it might drop back down again to this support level. So these are the levels that we can look for potential buying, as it is a bull market. Always going long is a good idea. So if we look at this market, these are the intraday support. Okay, so these are intraday support on, this is the intraday support on gold, also intraday support. This is also the intraday support. So these are some of the level that we will be looking at today to see how the price is reacting, and based on that we will be opening any position. So this my stand on gold. And if you guys have any opinion, let me know in the live chat. I see that everyone is here. Can you tell me that you are here? I see that everyone is here. King Crossing, thank you very much. Nenich, Tony, Grand Rising. Nenich, how do I get VIP signal, sir? Nenich, if you want to get the VIP signal, anyone, you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. This is the website. So once you are on the website, this is the website www.forextradingwizard.com. Click join now button, and then I would recommend you to join the lifetime access, where you can access VIP signals, VIP trades, as well as all the strategies that we are trading in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you can access all the trading tools and everything. So I see that Nenich, you have joined our academy. So you will receive an email with a Telegram link, VIP Telegram link. Let me give it to you right now. So I have just emailed you the Telegram channel link where you can join, and also there is a website link also you should be receiving to log into the website for all the content, for all the educational content that you need. So join that VIP Telegram channel where you can find all the trade and all the updates that you need to follow along. Good morning, Simon. Sir, BTC breakout. Yeah, we'll be talking about the BTC also. Andy, good morning. Sanbota, yes, I am here. Thank you very much. Hassan, Patrick, hello coach. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Patrick, thank you. So guys, let me know if you are here so we can go in depth of this analysis and everything. So if we look at, we have found the levels on gold where we can look at with the starting of the week. Now we will be discussing on the NFP as well, as you know that there's an NFP week coming up, so we will be looking at that one as well. Guys, before I progress further, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So before I progress further, I see the like is still not there, so would you mind giving a thumbs up? Your support is always appreciated. Thanks for that. So now let me look at, so we have seen gold, we have found a potential level on gold that we will be looking to enter any kind of trade if we see the market has given us the price action confirmation. Now I will be looking at Gbpusd. Now we saw the Gbpusd, there was a huge breakout on Gbpusd, which is a very strongly uptrending market at the moment, and this week is very important for JPY. If we look at the Forex factory calendar, let me look at that. So if we look at the Forex factory calendar, we can see that there is a tomorrow JPY. Okay, so that tomorrow JPY means that from today we will see a huge momentum on JPY pairs. So we'll be looking at a special eye on JPY pairs. Now let me tell you guys something really will blow your mind. What is that? Look, if you look at any kind of news, for example, there is a JPY news coming up. Now these news are catalyst. Guys, keep in mind, see, this is how you can look at completely different way, because most people focus on the data. Okay, let me tell you something that definitely probably you haven't heard of, but will definitely change your view about the market. When you see this calendar, okay, let's say you looked at this calendar. This is for those who are complete beginner, this is a free website where you can find the news calendar with all the information that you can see. Now you can look at this one here. What do you see? That tomorrow there is a JPY, POJ, government UDA or UD speaks. Now how do you interpret? And also you can see that 2 a.m. there is a ISM service PMI, USD news coming up. Now, how do you use this fundamental in your trading? Now, do you look at the data? Do you wait for the data to show you up to see, to predict the market? Now, this is the question. Then it will come to you a very important answer. How do you look at those news? Very, very nice, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, Bon. Good morning, Bon. Welcome. Gracious US30 coach, based on your liquidity grab strategy, I'm expecting it to retrace monthly resistance. Yes, we will be looking at that. Yeah, I think that US30, we could see that pullback because this market is overextended. We'll be looking at that. Now, see, this information that you see is absolutely very, very important because this week is NFP week. Now, I want to see an answer if anyone have. So when you see, let's say 8 a.m. there is a this data release on dollar or JPY, or someone will speak, how do you use that information in your trading? So what is the relationship that information to your trading? What do you think? Anyone here to answer that question? So this information, how do you relate to your trading, or how do you trade this information, more importantly, as a trader? Because if you want to really want to be a profitable trader, then you need to know that. Okay, you must know that because it's an integral part of trading. It's the fundamental of your trading. Probably you have heard of fundamental. Okay, so it's the fundamental side of your trading. We see there is a drop on GJ. Okay, we'll keep eye on Gbpusd. We can see there is a break of a structure is happening on GJ, and this is the 190.27 is a very important support level from the intraday time frame. Okay, so if the market managed to drop below this level, we can expect a rejection from this level to the upside. So first, let's see how the market is reacting to that level. Then we can look to get some peep here if we find that opportunity. So in that zone, okay, I will be placing a buy limit here at 30. Okay, so which is 190.30, and I will be placing my stop loss at 10 pip away, which is at 20, yeah, so which is 19, so 11 pip. Okay, and then I'll be targeting here around 221 for this. I'll be explaining later why I'm placing, so make sure guys you do proper risk management. It will be a buy limit. Come on, don't be too hurry. Need a little bit of time. Guys most likely can't see my screen. So at 190.305, so it's already there. Stop loss 190.191 and TP at 190.538. I just placed that, probably I might miss it, I'm not sure, but so I'll let you know if I am triggered, guys. I just had missed a little bit. Let me see if I, so okay, most likely I have to enter by market. Shit, it's gone. So I have entered by market on GJ. I have entered by market, so I am buy on Gbpusd with the same setup, and it might drop a bit more downside or upside. Let's see what happened, because I was late in my entry, expecting it to have a bounce to the upside again, as it is a bull market. We have seen the prices drop to the liquidity zone. So for me, I think we might see another downside, or it might just keep pushing high. So I am just entering into my profit zone. It's a quick trade with the starting of the week, and you know, if I'll tell you if I am closing with profit, if any profit, if I need to close on GJ. So, and also I'll be explaining the strategy behind why I have opened the trade. So this is Gbpusd. We open a buy here. So I'm long on GJ, guys. The first trade of the day with the market open. I believe that you guys are on that. Make sure you do the proper risk management. Key. Okay, so Gbpusd, I am long on this trade and expecting for the price to give us a bounce from this level. So this is the 30 minutes price action on GJ. It might even drop back to this level, which is possible, even if it is dropping to 20 EMA. Also, you could see that drop. So 30 minutes price action is just closing here, and so This is a straight drop to this liquidity zone. As you can see, just coming back down again for a liquidity grab. And if it's a very tight trade with only 11 pip stop loss. Okay, so I'm expecting it to have a potential rejection, as it is a very important level of support here. So, and also I'll be explaining later the strategy and the logic behind the trade. So make sure, guys, you stay tuned. Make sure you're not doubling up your risk, or even you're not risking big. It's a very quick trade here because there's a big drop here on GJ, and you can see back to back 2 liquidity candle, as the news is coming later tomorrow. So this instrument might get a very volatile at the moment. So yeah, so it already dropped to that to this liquidity zone. From here it's important to see how the price is reacting. Below this level there is a high liquidity. Now we have entered from a liquidity zone. The rest will depend on the market. Okay, so it might give us or it might take us. So it dropped already to this level here. Now, as the market has dropped below this support level, okay, so now we'll be expecting a bounce to the resistance level. If it goes up, that's expected. From the intraday, we see that the market already has made a very strong rejection from the top, and so Gbpsd, if we look at this market, it's a very strongly bullish market. We have seen significant drop to this level. From the 30 minutes, it's just testing now the 20 EMA. We tested the 20 EMA from the 15 and 30 minutes perspective. So the market already has made a huge local breakdown. Okay, we'll be waiting for now a revert back to the upside. So from the lower time frame, you can see it's already had a huge breakdown to this support level. It's now overextended in the direction. So let's see how the market is reacting in that zone. We'll be waiting for the price to give us a pullback, a rejection to the upside now, depending on what's the situation in the market. Okay, I don't know if it wants to gather bigger liquidity here. So it's testing now the 20 EMA from the 30 minutes. Right, so Now expecting for, this is a very tight stop loss. It already has broken quite a few high liquidity zone, and it will be unusual if we see that the market is just didn't revert back to the upside. Okay, so you see that already the market has made a big move in the direction. So let me know, guys, how are you doing with that? So we are on GJ on the buy trade, and expecting for the price to bounce back to the upside. Okay, so and he never trade when buy news is near. Yeah, so I will be discussing on that point on, what about. Morning, coach, colleagues, I'm here to support. Thank you for all you do. To the top, looking forward to taking from your market this week. JP appears. Yeah, I think so. Let's see, guys. Good morning, Roberto. This is a very interesting live analysis of the market. Yes, thank you very much for your support. All of you guys are doing. It's really much appreciated, and I really appreciate all of your support to this channel. And I'm always committed to give my best education, all the trade. I do, open frequent trades along with the education, so to help every day hundreds of traders coming in the market, coming in the academy. We are putting a huge value in, as you know, that every day for those who are coming in contact with me, you guys see that we are almost revolutionizing in every aspect, including our tools as well as in our strategies, as well as in our education. So you see that our approach in the market is very different from traditional trading. We trade based on liquidity. We trade based on the smart money trading strategy. You guys have seen that how we trade. Now GJ has managed to bounce from that zone, and guys, as soon as I'll see the market has given the profit, that I entered a bit late, but expecting it to revert back from this level to the resistance. If it reject, then we are right in our approach, and we should be able to see good profit gaining in that trade. So let's see how much we can do here. Now from the 15 minutes perspective, you can see that this drop on GJ is basically a complete break of structure in this strongly uptrending market. So expecting it to revert back to its original direction of the trend. So let me see how far we can see that market is going. So this is if you look at the 5-minute chart, we can see primarily it's showing potential bullish momentum. And yeah, so this is what I was talking, guys. ND, many of you already in the VIP group, and yeah, here we trade in the right strategy. That's what yesterday you guys have seen my small account to growing to a bigger account, and I always recommend to trade on a smaller account, guys. If you are beginning as a trader, start with a smaller account and then grow it to bigger account. That's how you will be proving your skill as a trader. In the beginning, don't trade with a bigger account like a 100K account. Don't trade even with a $5,000 account. Trade on $500 account, trade on $100 account, trade on $1,000 account based on your ability. Don't trade on bigger account in the beginning unless you are able to grow that account to a bigger account. Okay, so it's absolutely important. That's how you remain in the market. Okay, so because what I'm telling is from my experience. All right, in when I begin my trading, I made that mistake, starting with a bigger account just to lose all of them and learn from it. Okay, so you can learn from your mistake, which is costly, or you can learn from others' mistake, which without any cost, right? So it depends on what you will be learning from. So make sure you trade on a smaller account unless you are able to grow that account to a bigger account. Okay, so now looking at here, what do we see? Okay, so we see that now the profit is running on GJ. First, let's manage the trade, get some peep with the market open today, and then once we catch some peep starting of the day, then we'll be looking at. So I am almost entering. You guys probably, many of you already running profit. I'm entering into the profit zone. If it bounce back up, I'm expecting it to go back up to the. So I have entered into good profit now at the moment. So let me see how far it is going. I'll let you know, guys, when I'm closing the profit. Okay, so expecting it to go back up to the resistance, and then I'll be explaining the strategy behind the trade. Okay, so which is the key here. It's not only one trade you will be copying from me and you will be learning, but I would recommend you to focus on learning and growing as a trader, right? So I'm almost running half profit on that, guys. I believe that you also have the same. I'm running almost half profit on that, so a couple of p profit, so around 10 p profit on that. I want to see one more bounce, and that's good one. So let's close the profit starting of the week. I'm closing out. I have closed out profit on that. I closed out 12 p profit, closed profit. Okay, so I closed out profit. It might keep pushing high or may try to revert back again. So I closed out profit around how many p profit on that? So around 12 p profit. So let's we started, I always focus on the first trade. It's a kind of superstition, but if you start with a positive growth, that's always helpful for the whole week. So Gbpusd buy, we are 12 p profit, 12 p profit. Okay, so you close that. Now it might jump back upside, depends on how you want to do that, but this is what I'm doing at the moment here. So I believe that, guys, you also in profit. GJ, thank you. K Notes, welcome. Sounds like a cricket community. Very good. Yeah, welcome. Okay, so we might see that bounce further to the upside, or it might just drop back again for another liquidity. And so let's discuss the trade that we have secured, guys. If you enjoyed this trade, we will have more coming up. Just one thing, guys, support the channel by giving a thumbs up. It's all coming from the place of love, so make sure you show some love by giving a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I am posting every single day. Now I will be telling you why I have opened the trade, guys. I see that likes is going up. Likes and view are very disproportional, so I pause for 2 seconds so everyone have time to give 2 smash. One is to the like button, the other one is to the subscription button. Done? Cool, thank you. Thanks for your support to the channel. Awesome. Now why did I open this trade on GJ? Okay, as I mentioned before, there are 3 secrets in the market that you can look at: market structure, liquidity, and price action. Okay, so these are one of my secret that I'm using to trade the market. See, what is the market structure on GJ? Can anyone tell me? If you answer these 3 questions, you will know why I have opened this trade, guys. So what is the market structure on Gbpusd in all time frame? 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. In all time frame, there is only one market structure. Like, what is that, guys, on GBP JPY? What is the market structure on GJ? Can anyone answer, so that we can go understanding this trade, why we have opened? I want to see. Absolutely. Uptrend. Good job. So if you look at here, see that in all time frame, this market is bullish. Okay. So if you look at the daily, a cleanly bullish market, 1 hour bullish, 30 minutes bullish, 15 minutes bullish, even 5 minutes bullish. You can see big bull. Now, what happened with this breakdown? Well done, Kia. Good job. Notes. Good job. Chun. Good job. Warren, welcome. Well done. Can uptrend. Yes, I see that everyone can answer this question. Very good. Now, when this is you see in the 5 minutes, a very cleanly bull market. When the market is such a strongly bullish, what we will be looking for? A breakup structure. Okay. So they said that buy from higher high, sell from lower low. I don't buy from higher high, because when it is higher high, it's already high price. The big boys, the banks, the institutional trader, they also don't buy from higher high because it's already high price. We need to find a discounted price, and that discounted price is when the market drops in that liquidity zone, guys. When it comes down to the discount, I know that we had a discount also joining our VIP community past week. It's gone, but before I starting the live session, I see that many of you, I see here also notification. I saw quite a few notification for another discount, guys. It's gone, but because I had a huge request on that, I have created few more spare spots with that huge 70% discounted price. I'm giving you that coupon on the live chat. Now, what you need to do to use that coupon, visit the website, use a PC, because in mobile sometime the website causing a little bit of issue. If you are using the mobile, which the team is fixing, until they fix that mobile issue, you can use the PC or laptop. Go to the website and then click join now button. You can use that coupon for 70% off joining, as it is the last moment discount, so it's gonna be ending probably tonight. So make sure you use it to join, to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you'll be learning the strategy that I'm trading, and also you can access all the tools that I'm using to grow my account, including all the education, and also you'll be part of VIP chat group. Also, you can find the full guidance from me. If you see the discount code is not working, then I have to say sorry. Then you need to wait for maybe another a month to find another one, because that means it's gone. So make sure you use it before it's gone. You can use it on the lifetime access checkout. So it's only for the lifetime access checkout. Now you can see that the market is bouncing back up. Now you can see this is the drop on GJ to this liquidity zone, exactly where we have placed our pending order. Couple of pips draw down and then bounce back up. This is what you need to learn. You don't need anything else. Okay, you don't need any other things that will just confuse you, because there is a term called analysis paralysis. Okay, so if you look at this data, that data, this information, that information, then you're gonna get completely confused. Keep it simple. 3 things: market structure, bullish, we will only look for buying. Secondly, you need the liquidity so that you can trade with the smart money, because the smart money trade based on liquidity. Where is liquidity? When the market breaks from a structure to very important support level. And this is why we open buy here on GJ. From that zone, we saw that the market has got a bounce to the upside. Now, once the market has got that bounce from that liquidity zone, we need the price action confirmation that we have used, and also use the ATR indicator. If you love indicator, use ATR. ATR is very powerful indicator. Also, I posted a couple of weeks ago a video on ATR indicator. If you still don't know, I will create another one. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like that. Every week I'm posting a lot of content on the channel for all of you guys so that you can access all of them to grow as a trader. Now we see that GJ has bounced from that level. These are the 3 secrets. More in-depth strategy available in your student dashboard. Okay, so if you are our member, make sure you go through all the videos on your student dashboard where you can find in-depth. In addition, every trade I open in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, I also give a commentary on the VIP Telegram Signal channel explaining the strategy behind it in depth. That's how you can learn and grow as a trader, because here main focus in learning. Hope that makes sense, and thank you for that. Let's keep trading. Grab uptrend market. Yeah, absolutely. Abhi, boss, and calm down for liquidity. Yeah, thank you. Bullish. Absolutely. Uptrend entry at 190.30 is still holding. Pele. Yes. So it depends. You don't have to close when I'm closing. Okay. Everyone has the way it's trading, because I'm trading for some beginner trader also. But if you can hold it, if your risk management plan is very strong, always appreciate it. Hold it for bigger profit. I would like to join monthly access. I only have smartphone. Is there an issue? If you want to join the monthly access, if you are using the smartphone, yeah, in the phone, the site is doing a little bit of issue on checkout. It's getting fixed by tonight. But if you use any PC or laptop, it will work. Or you can just wait for one more day to be fixed if you just want to using the phone. Or you can use the live chat on the website, or you can email me to the team, because I don't have time to go through all the emails. You can email the team and they will guide you to joining. Let me give you the email, info. So anyone, info@forextradingwizard.com. If you find it difficulty in accessing via phone or anything, you can email info@forextradingwizard.com. Okay, so that's the email address, info@forextradingwizard.com. Email us. The team will guide you. To complete joining process. So very good. It's almost nearly there. Okay, guys. So let's look at another trade. Okay, so we got a profit on GJ, the first trade of the week. This is NFP week. NFP week always huge profitable week for us. So now you can see that euro dollar also had a big drop here. If you look at gold, also the market is dropping now at the moment. Let's see what kind of opportunity we have on looking at now on. If we look at the euro dollar, I will be looking at let's see. Okay, so now what do you see that let me see here on gold what kind of opportunity we have on gold. Now we have secured a profit on GJ, which in fact has gone almost to the, it's gonna go to that profit target anyway. We are out of the trade with profit, no problem. Now at the moment, let's see what kind of opportunity we have on gold and or any other instrument, guys, you are looking at. King Crossy, I want to join the yearly. Okay, so anyone want to join, visit the website using a PC or laptop, and then you can join for today until the mobile issue is fixed. If you are using the smartphone and you don't have a PC or laptop to join, then just email us at info@forextradingwizard.com. We'll guide you to the joining process. Thank you for that. Okay, now let's see what kind of opportunity we have. Now looking at here, this is where gold. Now you can see that gold currently coming back down again. I think that gold also might give us an entry opportunity very soon. If you look at gold from the bigger picture perspective, we can see that gold from the higher time frame, it's a bull market. Okay, so which is a very strongly bullish market on gold. I will be waiting for the price to give us that entry opportunity on gold. And let's see overall how the market is doing on gold. And first of all, let's look at the daily chart, guys. Now you can see that from the daily perspective, this is a huge bullish market on the daily on gold. And with that bull market, the price has come back down to this daily support level. And with that daily support, the market has initially bounced to the upside on gold. Now at the moment, what's happening is that the price in that zone, the price is testing the daily support. If you look at the monthly, we can see that from the monthly, huge bullish move. From the weekly, also big bullish move. Now from the daily, the price from this daily support had a bounce. Now from the intraday perspective, we can see that here is so far a big bullish move from the 4 hour. If we redraw this level for potential bullish move, I think that gold is coming to a zone where we might find potential entry. If we look at here, okay, so you see that lower time frame price action is coming to this level. Now from the 15 minutes and 30 minutes, the same way like the GJ, the market is coming to liquidity zone. And I think that you see this is the 4 hour support, and if the price drop below this level on gold, we should be able to find also potential entry opportunity for short term. At least we'll be waiting for that to happen. So if you look at this market on, this is the gold chart, and it's a huge drop so far on the lower time frame. And because, as I mentioned before, gold is currently very bullish. You have seen that there is a liquidity candle has got a big move, and currently the price is, this is a very important liquidity zone. If the market managed to break 2079, okay, so 2079 level, and then that will be huge buying opportunity for us on gold. And I will be waiting for the price to drop. If you look at this market, what do you see? That it's a big drop at the moment. And if the market managed to drop below this, guys, this support is absolutely important, 2079.50. Now, if the market managed to break below this level, I'll go for a long on gold. That will be another big opportunity for us if the market drop below this level. In that case, we might see this is a 4 hour candle, which is still 1 hour remaining. Especially if this, during this time frame, gold drop below this level, we might see liquidity grab and then bouncing back, closing above as a liquidity candle. You see the 1 hour chart, it might even try to test this 1 hour 20 EMA, which could be another big zone that we can look for the potential price action. Okay guys, so we'll be waiting for gold to Okay, so we'll be waiting for the price to give us potential entry on gold. Okay, so we'll be waiting for to see how the market is reacting to that support level. I think that if we see that gold has managed to break below this level, we should be able to find potential entry in this market. So it formed a double top here. Okay, so on gold, and slowly we might see the market is coming back down, breaking that low, because it failed to create a higher high. If you look at here, you see exactly double top form here on the 5 minutes, and because it formed a double top, we might see that gold may retest this support, and it might even form a series of break that low, creating a lower low, and then going back up to break this high again, so which you could eventually see on gold. Now for me, I will be remaining bullish, as you know that I always trade with the trend. Okay, I always follow the wise. They said that follow the wise always. Okay, so the wise man in trading said that trade with the trend, right? I would like to join, mom. Okay, thank you very much. Still 30 BTC, thank you. Euro USD, gold is, let's go down. Okay, buy. Okay, thank you. Now buy. Sir, please have a look. I don't get VIP Telegram link. Nature, I have sent an email to you, Nachin, I believe. Can you check your email, including the junk? Niranj. So if you still didn't find anything, please send an email, info@forex-tradingwizard.com. I believe I should be going there. Please check your email. Let me see. Yeah, so your email is Niranj at hotmail.com. So your email is ending with Hotmail, and it's sent to your email. Please check your junk folder. Gold Gbpusd, go buy. Thank you very much. Jamsi bullish. Yeah, okay. Morning coach, sorry for the question. Where is the BOS? Gold 5 minutes head and shoulders, sir. Hello, I'm new here. I want to join. Burhan Miras, if you want to join, absolutely, you're welcome. You can visit the website today, www.forextradingwizard.com. You can use go to this website. I would recommend you to use a PC or laptop, because for the mobile version the website has a little bit of issue, which is fixing currently, will be fixed by tonight. So if you are using a mobile phone, then you might find it difficulty in joining on checkout. But if you are using PC or laptop, easily you can join. Click join now button, then you will be able to join us. There is a coupon giveaway today with the additional numbers in it, so you can use it. I've given you the okay, so got the email. Yeah, thank you very much. So you can yeah, so this is the coupon and the website link. If you want to visit the website, let me give you the website. So use a PC or laptop to join it. So this is the website link here I've given you. This is the website. Click join now button on the website, and I would recommend you to use that 70% off today. That is extended only for today. It's an ended offer, but extended for today for those who want to join and to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you can learn and grow as a trader. You can access all the trading tools and also you can be part here forever. Thank you. Do I get the signal, sir? So you can get the signal on the VIP Telegram channel. So once you join the VIP Telegram channel, you'll see all the things is sent here. Okay, now let me look at here on gold. Now as you can see, gold, this is the intraday time frame, which is like the GJ. Here GJ again, it's coming down for a pullback again. So let's see, what do you see? Okay, GJ, you can see where we set our TP, it just hit the CTP and then dropping back down. We might see that again it's gonna try to revert back. If GBP/JPY now this time dropping back down again, we might see another bounce and we'll be looking for another entry. In that case, we might see that GJ is dropping below this trend line and then bouncing back up. So for those who joined late, we had 12p profit in my, some of you may have bigger profit on that. On GBP/JPY, our first trade, we closed with the profit. Now let me see here on gold. Now at the moment what we see, that gold is showing a very interesting price action. This move to the resistance, and we can see that the price is trying to pull back. Okay, so from the 1 hour, if we look at gold, you can see there is a red candle. Chances that the price will try to revert back to that level again. Now this is the support that we will be looking at, 2079, break up that support and then bouncing back to the upside. You can see this is the 1 hour chart on gold. It's a huge bullish momentum, and with that bullish momentum on gold, if you look at this is a big bull move consolidation pattern. If gold is managed to break that low from this, along this zone where there is a 20 EMA, I think that gold is likely to go back up to the resistance again to create a new higher high. So let's find out how the market is doing. We might find a good opportunity on gold very soon. I'm waiting for that to happen. Website is www.forextradingwizard.com. Let me give you the website again. So this is the website where you can visit, www.forextradingwizard.com. forextradingwizard.com. This is the website, and also link you can find at that. Let me pin that. So this is the website where you can visit the website, and then you can click join now button. You will be able to access. We are here. What price? So the price that I will be waiting on gold for a liquidity gap here. Mirrors, what plan I chose? You can choose the lifetime access. That's the best one at the moment, which it's currently 70% off, where you can access everything. Thank you for that. Okay, so you can choose the lifetime access. Thank you. Okay, now let me see here what we can do on some other pair. And also I'll go back to the news calendar, guys. If you look at the news calendar, now JPY is absolutely important at the moment. For tomorrow coming up, JPY. Now in the beginning of this session, guys, I asked a very important question. Many of you have answered that most likely. Let's discuss that point. It will change the way you look at the market, guys. Make sure that you are not missing this information. Now if you look at the news calendar, you can see that this is the news calendar. Okay, now in that news calendar, how do you use that information? This is the question that I ask all of you guys, that how do you use that news calendar? Okay, so if you want to use that news calendar, Do you use the data to enter? It's very important, because when you know exactly how to use that data, that information will blow your mind completely, because it's all about understanding how to use that fundamental component in your trading. Okay, so let's get to that point. Anyone here to answer this question? How do you use that information, that the news calendar? Okay. All right. So if you are using data to enter, I enter after the release of the news. Okay. All right. So I understand. Most trader do the same. Okay. So you are doing, it's okay, because everyone do the same. Everyone wait for the data release, and when they say, for example, this one CHF CPI already released in 6:30 p.m. In my zone, and it looks good, so CHF getting stronger, so they buy CHF, right? Dollar Swiss franc go buy. But as a matter of fact, when data released, the market already moved. The market is gone. The price is already gone. So then how do you use that data release? Well, for me, news events are catalyst. Okay, they will bring the price to its true value. And interestingly, you can go back to some of the information that I'm giving and retest it, what I'm saying. For example, if you look at GBP JPY, okay, see this price here. This is the daily chart. When this candle formed on GJ, you see that there is a very important high impact news on GBP. And when there is a data coming up, for example, tomorrow there is a JPY, the price action will show you a very predictable pattern today, even the news is tomorrow. All right, guys, that's what you need to understand. Now tomorrow already gone. Tomorrow the price already made a big move, because when the data releases this spike, and you can't trade that spike, it's huge move. Okay, spread widens. But you need to look at a day earlier how the price action is forming, and that's what I use in my study. It's a very powerful, because that's how you integrate the fundamental with the technical. Then you complete in your approach, in your analysis, when you integrate fundamentals with the technical. I believe that, guys, you understood it. In-depth strategy also available. Based on that, you can find in your student dashboard as news and price action trading strategy. I'll recommend you to go with it and then watch it over and over again. There will be more updates also on that. Also, I'll be explaining more on that. Okay, guys, so hope that it makes sense to you. Now at the moment, let's go back to our regular trading here. Now you can see gold with this liquidity gap. Again, it's trying to drop down here, and I'm expecting before this 4-hour close for the price to come back down to have a very strong liquidity. Now if you look at the 4-hour candle close, which is around 46 minutes remaining, if during that time period, if gold managed to drop below this level, that will be a very powerful buy signal for me. I'll be looking to enter with the liquidity grab here, waiting for gold to drop to this level, and then we will be jumping on a buy trade. For GBP JPY, we already secured profit. We'll be waiting for another entry. Guys and girls, as you know that I do come on live twice. There is another live also available during the NY session. So make sure that you always stay connected for all the information that we have. Stay connected by giving a thumbs up, by subscribing to the channel, and also you can join the free Telegram channel for more updated information with us. So gold, we see that there is a zone that will be waiting for that price to enter, while I think GJ might now drop back down again to that liquidity zone again. If it drops again, there will be another opportunity. Okay, so we'll be waiting for that now at the moment. And in the moment, as you know that this is the first day of trading week, the Monday and Friday are the best day for me always. Is expired, shouldn't be expired. Okay, let me, most likely you are, let me see. Okay, let me give you the direct contact detail with the team. Okay, here we see that GJ again. It's I have emailed you, Nichin, to directly have an access. So I believe that you should see that. And then okay, so Niranj, you will find an email. Okay, thank you very much. On GJ trade, you said that breakup structure. Can you show the breakup structure, please? Yes, so this is what the breakup structure on GBP/JPY. Now if you have attended our VIP Zoom class on Sunday, this is what we talk about, that liquidity candle. It formed that liquidity candle. You see that on the lower time frame, you can see this is the, so if you look at the 5 minutes structure on GBP/JPY, what do you see? That it's a cleanly defined. So what do you see the market structure on GJ? Okay, so it's a very clearly defined uptrending market structure. Now if you separate this line here, what do you see? In this whole move, there is no single violation of the market structure on GJ, right? And then first time the market has broken from that structure to this liquidity zone, and that is where we found a very high probability trade setup. Okay guys, so hope that you are enjoying. Give a thumbs up guys if you are enjoying, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I am posting every single day. And let's see if we see the market has broke, because it has made a move pullback, we might see that again we'll try to break that low. If it does, then we will be entering again along with the gold here. Okay, so gold, you can see gold, the way it is dropping, we might see gold again will try to break this low. If it is coming below 2079, I will be jumping on buy based on the price action confirmation, and I will be also sharing the same trade in the group if I am not on live. So with that said, guys, it was an absolutely enjoyable trading session. Started with a winner. Let's keep winning throughout the day and throughout the week. This is NFP week, very, very important week. I would recommend you to stay tuned with all the updates and everything. And I'm coming on live again in just a matter of a couple of hours in New York session. As this session we have secured good profit, let's keep that on the trading account. And before that, before I go to that, before I leave, guys and girls, if you enjoyed this live session, so stay connected. And also if you want to join a regulated broker, recommended broker, there is a link you can find in the description area, and also I can share with you the link in the live chat. You can use that to join and to start trading. So with that being said, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon trading live together in the market. Until that, stay well, stay happy.